this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a small little kind of magnetic phone holder from the company Viozon. I just got this in and I kind of wanted to show y'all how this thing works. So it came in this box right here. It was very nicely packaged in there. And then it came with this little set of, like, I think this is a thing for the back of your phone. Let's open it up and look at it. Looks like a cleaning solution and 2 of these metal rings to put on your phone, and they look like they have a type of sticky back on them. Now, I have a cell phone case that has that magnet built in, so I don't need these. But if you had a phone that didn't have this, that would be very handy. And they give you 2 of them. That's really cool. Some cleaning solution, little user manual right here. And looking over the manual, there's not much to this thing. It's just a very comfortable item for holding your phone. I'm going to show you how this thing works real quick. The bottom is a suction cup right there, and that suction cup will kind of like suck down and hold it on place. Now this is fabric. I will show it. Let's try. Oh wow, that worked great just right there on that wood. So it's like a very kind of sticky suction cup that you could set it down on a table or something like that. This is 365 degrees, 360 degrees rotational right there. And then you can fold this in and out. You've got a little storage bin right down here. It looks like where you could put maybe a remote, but really, you know, you could put some ink pens. If you're working on something, you need to take notes. And yet when I say working on something, this would be great for Zoom calls. So if you put it down, you could make like a Zoom call. You could run your phone like that, talk on the phone, or you could just do Facebook Live or something like that. And then it has this nice plush kind of pillow filling that if you want to set it down on your lap, you can. And see, this actually peels off if you want to take that off and you don't need it. But me personally, I'm going to leave it on there. Looks like it just pops right back on there. Oh, this can come off to clean, I think. So if you want to take this off and clean this, you would just remove it like that. Just so you know, you can take this off and clean it. So see how you can set it up. So if I just want to set and do just kind of whatever on my phone, or turn like this and watch a movie, I can bring it in a little closer or put it straight up. Looks good. And I think this would be great on your desk. It'd be nice and premium because it is also a little storage bin. And when it's not in use, you just do like that. Check that out. And that magnet is pretty sturdy. Watch this. That's powerful. I have been very impressed with this Viozon company. They have a wide range of products and they have been nothing but, actually you can see this right here, this tablet holders by those guys. And after that tablet holder, I realized I definitely want to get more of their products. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Viozon cell phone suction cup cell phone holder. See you all in the next video.